How to export Lovable design to Figma. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. Okay, so first of all, we're just going to go to Lovable and we simply just want to open up our project that we want to move to Figma, and we simply just want to publish it and get our URL. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue and make it public and continue again. And we simply just want to get the URL to the live preview. So once it's done, you simply just want to click on publish again and copy the URL link. You can make sure that it is working by just doing this, and you should, open up the actual thing here. Okay, so now head on over to Figma and create a page from scratch, basically an empty one. Okay, so once you open up an empty file within Figma, you simply just want to go to the actions button here at the bottom, find plugins, and search up html.to.design. You should be able to find it right away, which is this one right here. So simply click on that and run it. And now you simply just want to go ahead and replace the apple.com URL with yours that we have just gotten. For some reason it's not pasting, hold on. So in my case, this one, and click on import. Now for these options, you can just, it really just depends on what you want. So I'm just going to use the auto layout and also create styles and variables. And the layer names are going to be the same. The rest, I'm not really sure, but I'm just going to leave them off and click on proceed. And there you go, just like that, there you have it. You have the entire website from Lovable to your Figma. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.